In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Jotform template. With the convenience of Jotform, sharing templates can streamline your workflow, assist colleagues, or simplify processes for your team. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, this guide will provide you with all the necessary steps and valuable tips to share your Jotform template effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Head over to Jotform's website. If it's your first time, you'll be greeted with a plethora of form options and features designed to cater to various needs. Don't feel overwhelmed. We're focusing on the sharing aspect today. Once you're on the Jotform homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button prominently displayed on the page. If you've set up your account with Google or another platform, select the appropriate option to continue. This seamless integration makes accessing your account a breeze. After logging in, you'll be directed to the My Forms section where all your creative work is stored. Here you can manage your existing forms or even create new ones. But our goal today is to share a template, so let's keep moving forward. Find the form you wish to share, hover over it and you'll see a More option appear. This button is your gateway to a variety of actions you can perform on your form, but for now we're interested in sharing it as a template. So click on Share as Template. Upon selecting Share as Template, you're presented with several options regarding how you would like to share your template. For this tutorial, we're focusing on sharing with specific contacts, so we'll proceed with that method. It's a direct and efficient way to share your hard work with individuals who can benefit from it. Now you're at a stage where you can designate the recipient of your template, enter the email address of the person or persons you wish to share your template with. If you're sharing with multiple contacts, ensure you enter each email carefully to avoid any delivery issues. Before hitting send, you have the option to add a personal message. Whether it's instructions, a friendly note, or additional context about the template, this message can provide your recipients with valuable insights or simply a warm greeting. Once you've composed your message, it's time to send your template into the world. Click send, and Jotform will take care of the rest. Congratulations! You've successfully shared your Jotform template. But before we conclude, let's go over a couple of helpful tips to ensure your process is as smooth as possible. First, always double check the email addresses before sending. A small typo could mean your template doesn't reach its intended recipient. Secondly, if you're sharing a template that will be used frequently or by multiple people, consider sharing a brief guide or instructions on how to best utilize the template. This can greatly enhance the user experience and ensure consistency in usage. And there you have it, a straightforward and easy to follow guide on how to share a Jotform template. Remember, sharing templates can save time, maintain brand consistency, and enhance productivity within your team or organization. So go ahead, share your creations and make an impact. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Whether you're a business owner, educator, or creative professional, I hope this guide empowers you to share and collaborate more effectively with Jotform. Until next time, keep streamlining your processes and happy form making.